Welcome everyone. In this session, we will discuss about the if statement. Okay, so now start. Our topic is if statement. Okay, so let's start it. It execute its sub statements when its condition will be getting true. Okay, so it executes its sub statements when it gets the condition true, or it executes its sub statements when its condition will be getting true. Okay, otherwise it will not execute its sub statements. Okay, so you can understand what I have told to you. Okay, so the syntax is syntax is so its syntax is syntax that is just a second. If we gives the condition at this place, and after that we leave some spaces, so we leave some spaces and we write my statement like statement 1, statement 2 to statement, and okay, and never forget to give colon after writing the if statement. Okay, so what is condition? Okay, whenever you will perform the condition, then you will have to use with like as compare operator, conditional operator or compare operator, uh, like as given on your book. With the okay, comparison operators, greater than, less than. Okay, so try to understand condition or comparison expression returns the boolean value. Boolean value. Okay, means true or false. Okay, true or false. Example, example हो गया like suppose x 10 greater than 2, or if you will use a variable like 10 x less than equals to 18, like that. Okay, these are the conditions. Okay, so now we are going to a basic example. Okay, we are going to basic examples. So start, open the Python ideally. Okay, it has opened. Create a new file. I am giving file name as odd even. Okay, on desktop, even, odd. Okay, so now I am writing a displays my uh, program. Okay, so my program is input a number and display it is even or odd. Okay, it is even or odd. Comment line close. Okay, so I am taking first variable, that is first number or number I am taking, and then inside this number I am taking input. Okay, so input, enter a number. Okay, enter a number, then close it. And after that, if number mod 2 equals to 0, then print it is an even number. Okay, it is an even number. Next, if number mod 2 equals to 1, okay, then print it is an odd number. Okay, so in this section I have written two if statements. Okay, so when the first statement will get true, then the first if will execute. Otherwise, when the second if statement will getting true, then second statement will execute. Okay, so execute this program. Okay, enter a number. I am giving like 10. So it is an even number. It has displayed successfully. Okay, now I am giving now 3. So it is an odd number. Successfully it has given. So how my program is working? Okay, how my program is working? Suppose I have given I have given 10 as a number. That means if on the input area, when I will execute my program, then I will give 10 as input and 10 will store to my number. Okay, and then after that it will check num mod to modulus operator. Modulus operator याद रखिए मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर क्या करता है, इट रिटर्न्स द रिमाइंडर। ओके, लाइक 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 10 को, तो 5 टाइम्स में 10, हमारे पास रिमाइंडर क्या बचा, 0। तो 10 mod 2, 10 mod 2 विल बी 0, 10 mod 2 विल रिटर्न 0। 10 mod 2 करेंगे तो ये क्या आएगा, 0 रिटर्न करेगा। तो 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 0। ओके, लिसन अंडर वंस मोर। ओके, 10 mod 2, the expressional value of 10 mod 2 is 0. So 0 is equals to 0, then it is true. Okay, then it will execute its statement print it is an even number. Okay, next, when I will give, okay, when I will give num value is 3. Okay, so it is checking 3 mod 2. Then what will be my value, 3 mod 2? So 3 को divide कीजिए 2 से, then 1 times में 2, and then we are getting 1. Okay, so this expression is returning 1. So 1 is equals to 1, then it will print odd number. Okay, so remember this thing. So every even number must be divided by 2, and every odd number will give the remainder as 1. Okay, so that's why it is the program to check even or odd. Okay, so remember one more thing. Okay, everyone remember this thing. यहाँ से जब भी आप if का body open करेंगे, when you will open the statement of if, then every line must be starts from here. That means after leaving some spaces, then it will execute for the if. Otherwise, if you will write your statement, okay, if you will write your statement from here, okay, like hi, then it will not execute depending on this statement. Like it is working this mm, mm, below statement is working for even. Okay, and below statement is working for odd. It is the single line comment. Okay, next. So if I will give as input is a is an odd number, so it will execute an odd number, but it will also execute. And then one more case, if I will give even number, then it will execute, but it will also execute because of it is outside of the if statement. Just see. What is error? A string literal. Okay, okay, and it is not used to comment line. Okay, just a second, everyone. Executed. Now I am giving 10, or why 10? 8 I am giving. So it is an even number, it is also displaying high. Okay, okay. Now I execute once again. Run. I am giving 5. it is an odd number and it is also displaying high. Okay, so try to understand. When I have given 8, 8 is an even number, so this statement has been executed. Okay, and also the last statement has been executed. While the last statement has been executed, because of it is outside of this if statement. Okay, that's why it has executed. समझिए कि if के अंदर जो कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट आपको एग्जीक्यूट करवाना है वो आपको कुछ स्पेसेस को छोड़ करके ही आपको लिखना होगा, अदरवाइज ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा। ठीक है, so one more program we are going, you can take a screenshot. Okay, चलिए आइए next program, one more program I am going to create, that is open the Python LE ideally. Okay, now create a file, new file, and then save it. Save on desktop. I am giving age. Okay, now in this program I am writing input your input your age and display eligible for vote or not. Okay, eligible for vote or not. So आइए हम लोग इनपुट ले एक एज का वोटिंग का एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं, जिसमें एज अगर हमारा एलिजिबल होगा 18, ये एलिजिबल होगा वोटिंग के लिए तो डिस्प्ले करेगा एलिजिबल, अदरवाइज यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल। ओके, जस्ट स्टार्ट। आई एम टेकिंग ए वेरिएबल एज। ओके, एंड इक्वल्स टू इंट इनपुट एंटर योर एज। ओके, एंटर योर एज, and after taking the age, if age is greater than or equals to 18, then print you can vote. Print go ahead. Okay, now again I am one more giving condition. If age is less than 18, then print you can't vote. Okay, you can't vote. Print so I am giving you will have to wait for like 18 minus age. Okay, years. Okay, so now execute this program. Okay, enter your age. I am giving 24. We are getting you can vote, go ahead. Okay, we are getting you can vote, go ahead. Now I am giving like one second. I am giving age is 11. Then you can't vote. You will have to wait for 7 years. Okay, you can't vote. You will have to wait for 7 years. We are getting 7 years. We are getting. So what is the logic behind this? Try to understand. I have given consider about it. If I have given age is 25, okay, so 25 is greater than 18 or not, greater than or equals to 18 or not. So greater than that, that means it is getting true. True, that means it will execute. You can vote, go ahead. And then 25 is less than 18, then it will get false and then it will not execute. Okay, okay, next. Next, in the next time, if I will give 10, age is 10, then age 10 is greater than 18 or not, not 10 is equal to 18, not, then it is false. So when it is false, then it will not execute. Now 10 age is less than 18, that means 10 is less than 18 or not, so it is less than 18, that means it will get true. Okay, FLSC, it is true, then it will execute. So it will execute, you can't vote. Okay, and then it will execute next statement. You will have to wait for 18 minus age, 18 minus age, that means I have, if I have given 10, then 18 minus 10, that means it will display 8. Okay, in the runtime I have given 11. Okay, that's why we were getting 7. So when I will give 10 as age, then I will get, you can't vote and you will have to wait 8 years. Okay, so I will provide you the every screenshots in your group. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about the branching if statement. Okay, thank you everyone.